Welcome to your Tuesday weather forecast. On Tuesday morning, fog patches possible along the western and southwestern coast around the escarpment as well as the high veld, but then another scorching hot day in store for the central and western part of the country, with heatwave conditions persisting up until Wednesday over the interior part of the Eastern Cape and up until Thursday over parts of northwest and the Free State, with no rain in the forecast for those areas. Only isolated thunderstorms possible in parts of Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga, with a quick light drizzle possible along the western and southern coast, but a dry day expected for the western and central parts of the country. In these areas, you'll have an excellent PV harvest on your solar panels, but from the afternoon, an average PV harvest over the central and eastern part of the country. Northeasterly winds blowing strong along the eastern coast, with westerly winds picking up along the southern coast. Winds also blowing fresh over the western and central parts of the country. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires over big parts of the northern, western and eastern Cape, as well as the Free State. Strong southerly winds expected along the coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia. But in the Western Cape, it will be a few degrees cooler along the coastal areas, with temperatures in the upper 20s, 27 in the afternoon in Langebaan and Cape Town. Partly cloudy skies expected, with an onshore flow fair that can bring a quick drizzle to Hermanus and surrounding areas. Temperatures in the upper 20s expected along the southern coast, but another extremely hot day over the interior, with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, 38 in the afternoon in Beaufort West, 39 in Graaff-Reinet. In the Eastern Cape, fog patches the morning around the escarpment. Later, day 2 of heatwave conditions, with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s and winds blowing fresh. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. Northeasterly winds also blowing fresh to strong along the coast between Port St John's and East London. In KwaZulu-Natal, northeasterly winds also picking up. Foggy conditions at first. Later, it will be warm to hot with isolated thunderstorms over the northwestern parts. In Mpumalanga, we are expecting foggy patches in the morning, later isolated thunderstorms over the high veld, but sunny skies in the low veld with 31 in the afternoon in Skukuza. Sunny skies expected in the low veld of Limpopo, with isolated thunderstorms possible over the central parts as well as the bushveld with 33 in the afternoon in Balabala and Tabazimi. In northwest, day 2 of heatwave conditions for the western parts, with 37 in the afternoon in Vryburg and Tahung, also extremely hot over the central and eastern parts with temperatures in the mid-30s. In the Northern Cape, it will be a few degrees cooler over the western parts, but over the central and eastern parts, another scorching hot day. Temperatures around 40 degrees Celsius expected, with 41 in the afternoon in Prieska. Northwesterly winds blowing fresh, and the Weather Service warning against runaway fires. Day 2 of heatwave conditions for the Free State as well, including Bloemfontein with 35 in the afternoon there. Partly cloudy skies expected and windy at times. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. And then finally, a few degrees warmer in Gauteng with 30 in the afternoon in Johannesburg. Isolated thunderstorms possible from the afternoon. On Wednesday, we are expecting another sizzling hot day over the central and western part of the country, with heatwave conditions now moving to Gauteng as well, but cooler conditions along the southwestern and southern coast. On Thursday, we have an onshore flow of cooler air. It will bring much cooler conditions to the southwestern part of the country, with 22 in the afternoon in Cape Town, 23 in George with rainy conditions, but another sizzling hot day for the central and eastern part of the country, with Johannesburg reaching a high of 32. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe and drink enough water in these hot conditions.
The Stage 0 Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.